Write a program to find characters and their count in given string. Example, if input string is small abcd, capital ABCD, again small abcd, capital A, B and small cd, then we need to find out number of unique characters present in this string. So unique characters are small abcd and capital ABCD. We need to find how many times these characters appeared in the string. Example, B is appeared for 2 times, capital C is appeared for 1 time. Now let's see the logic for this. First we will be using toChar method of the string class, and it will give us all these characters from the string, and we will store all these characters in character array. Then we will traverse elements from the character array and we will store it in map. So key of the map is character. Example, we'll store all characters like A, B, C, D as a key, and its value will be number of occurrences. It is of type integer and occurrences of A, B, C, D is 2, 2, 3. We'll be using 3 methods of map class. To put any elements in the map, we'll be using put method, and before putting we will check whether the element is already present in the map or not. Now to check, we will be using contains key method. If key is already present, then we will just add 1 into the value of that particular character, and if it is not present, then by default we will put 1 value. And to get element from the map, we will be using get method. Now let's write code for this. I have already created char with count class and void main method is generated. First I will create my string. Then next we'll use toChar array method of the string class, and we will store it in character array. We will be using map and its key is character and integer. I am providing name of the map as char with count. Now here I am getting error. Just hover your mouse on that error. It is asking to import hashmap class. Hashmap class is present in java.util package. So I am just clicking on that link. You can see hashmap class is imported. Same thing I will do for the map interface. I will import the map. Now to traverse through character array, I am using for loop, and I am getting each character from char array. Here we'll check whether if element is already present in map or not. And using else statement as well. If key is not present, then simply we will put elements in the map. Using put method, we'll just add character, and initial value of any character will be 1. If any element is already present in the map, then first we need to get the count of the number of occurrences, and we will increment it by 1. Now to print map, I am using sysout. Now I am running this code. You can see the output. A is appearing for 2 times, capital A is appearing for 2 times, small c is appearing for 3 times. If you like this video, just hit on the like button. If you want to see more such interview related programs or interview related questions, you can subscribe to this channel. Keep watching, keep learning.